Hi, this is Ross from ProTech Epoxy Floors in Port Richey, Florida. Today we're in Spring Hill and we're starting this two-car garage. So as you can see, we're well in progress here. Lauren is doing the edges. You can see she's getting right up to the wall. So we're going to put this floor in and around the fixtures, which you'll see in the next segment. So you can see the progress here. We're getting off that cure and seal coating. Got a decent crack here, probably find a few more. Now this is the floor grinder. What that's doing is that's putting the profile on the floor for our epoxy application. We want to get back down to aggregate white concrete. We're going to fill these expansion joints for a seamless surface. Now the way this garage flows, it flows to the outside. So this is actually pretty neat. This is not bad at all. So we're going to grind that. Then we'll be hand ground. And then we'll go back. Now it's a little rough over here. I kind of feel bad for getting rid of the kids' handprints, but they're going to have to go because that's a mess back here. We're definitely going to have some repairs once we grind that off. So we're off to a good start. Here's our project, all complete. Job looks great. Here's the details in and around the fixtures. Now this is a flat floor, meaning they did not get the baseboard option. That's when we would have gone up the wall and married up to the existing height that you would see here underneath this baseboard, the wooden baseboard. So we did sand and fill the control joints, and we do that so we get a seamless surface. It's just a better looking job. It's an extra step that we take. As you saw in the previous segment, we put a lot of time and effort into the prep. That's the most important part of a job. We want to grind off all that cure and seal and get back down to the aggregate, bare concrete. And as you saw, we hand grind it right up to the edge of the wall. So this has a polyaspartic top coat. Polyaspartic is UV stable and very durable. This color is Nightfall. Now the way the garage flowed out into the driveway, we finished that in as well. In that area, we did double coat it with polyaspartic because it's in the full sun all the time. There's a good chance that it will weather a little bit different because it's exposed to the sun and all the elements, including rain, water, etc. So over here is where we did those repairs. Once we got that ground off, there were some repairs to do. We filled that all in. Made sure we had a good surface down to apply our epoxy to. Flattened it all out and then brought it back up. Again, this color is Nightfall. Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
ProTech Epoxy Floors, New Port Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. ProTech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.